Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your insurance ID cards using Progressive Step by open your web browser. Type in the Progressive Insurance website URL. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Policy section. Look for a link or tab labeled ID cards or insurance cards. Click on that link to view your insurance ID cards. Locate the option to download or print your ID cards. Choose the format you prefer, either PDF or image file. If downloading, click on the Download button. If printing, select your printer settings and click Print. Once downloaded or printed, save the file in a secure location. Consider creating a backup on a cloud storage service for added security. If using a mobile device, download the Progressive app. Log into the app with your account information. Navigate to the Documents or ID Cards section within the app. Select your insurance ID card to view it. Use the Share option to send it to your email or cloud storage. Verify that the backup has been successfully saved. Repeat these steps regularly to ensure your information is always up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.